Dear students, today let us do the exercise number 1. In pairs or groups, pronounce the words and identify the vowels represented by the underlined letters in the following words. I will just give you a guideline on the first word, occasion, how to do this exercise. We can do the rest of the exercises in a similar manner. The word occasion, first of all we need to understand how this word is pronounced. Is it occasion or occasion? So this is actually pronounced occasion. So what is the vowel sound represented by the underlined alphabet O? The sound coming here in is, you can find it by referring to a dictionary. It is the schwa sound, occasion. So it is also good to see how many vowel sounds are there in this particular word, occasion. So there are actually 3 vowel sounds altogether, a, and again a schwa sound at the end of the syllable, the last syllable, occasion. So we have actually 3 syllables. The number of vowel sounds determine the number of syllables in a word. This is a great learning as we go ahead with this exercise. So you can write down the answer for the vowel sound for the first exercise. Here is the schwa sound, as in about, or many other words. Now let us also see the rest of the words and find out the answers, the vowel sounds represented by the underlined letters given here. So the best exercise could be to write down the complete transcription of the given words here and to identify the vowels enabled. Now there are altogether 16 words given here. So rather than making any guessworks, it's better to refer to a dictionary. If you don't have a dictionary, it's good to buy a standard dictionary, an English pronouncing dictionary, either by Cambridge or Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionaries, or you can also depend on another pronouncing dictionary released by Daniel Jones, the English Pronouncing Dictionary. If you need copies, kindly ask me. I can spare you or make copies available to you. Thank you very much.